Greetings to all. Today we are going to see Science Chapter Pressure.
Pressure and its uses is a part of our daily life. In this chapter, you will learn how force and pressure are related and how they play a part in our daily life. What is pressure? A amount of force exerted per unit area of a surface is called pressure. The SI unit of pressure is Pascal. The symbol of Pascal is PA.
Calculating pressure. Pressure can be calculated by using the equation pressure that is equal to force by area on which the force acts. We can calculate the area if we know the force and the pressure using the formula area that is equal to force by pressure. We can calculate the force used if we know the pressure used and the area it is used by using the formula. Force is equal to pressure into area.
What is fluid? Any material that can float is known as fluid. Milk, honey, petrol, steam, blood are few examples. Fluid exert pressure. We talk of water pressure when we go deep sea driving. We talk of air pressure when we feel tired. We talk of blood pressure when we see a doctor. All fluid exert pressure.
Water pressure. Water pressure comes from the weight of water overhead. The weight of the water depends on the height of the water column. So, the deeper you are, the more the water above your weight and the greater is the water pressure. How do liquids exert pressure? Liquid exerts pressure equally in all directions. Take a plastic bottle and punch 4 holes on all 4 sides at the height of 10 cm from the bottom. What do you find when you fill it with water? The water gushes out evenly from all 4 sides. Air exerts pressure evenly in all directions. When we pump air into a tire, we push in molecules of air. These molecules are constantly moving. They bump into each other and into the walls of the tires. They try to push apart. This movement creates a force on the walls. This force is air pressure. The tire inflates evenly because air exerts pressure evenly in all directions.
Atmospheric pressure. Gravity pulls the gases towards the earth. The weight of these gases exert a pressure and this is known as atmospheric pressure. It is measured with the help of an instrument called barometer. How does air exert pressure? Some daily life experience that show that air exert pressure are: number 1. You find it easier to row the boat when the wind is blowing behind you. Number 2. The wind coming from the back helps in flying kite. Number 3. When you suck from the straw, the liquid races in it.
Atmospheric pressure decreases with altitude. The atmosphere stretches to around 150 km above the earth. Most gases are found within 10 km of the earth's surface. At the outer end of the atmosphere, the pressure is almost 0 Pascal because there is so little air and the molecules do not pump into each other. As we go downwards towards the earth, there are more gases and more molecules, so the pressure increases. At lower level, there is more fluid or air above being pulled down by the gravity, so the pressure is greater.
Pressure in our everyday life. The following are a few examples of application of pressure in our day-to-day life. Number 1. Football boots have pointed stud to create points of high pressure. These studs sink in the soil and get grip on the muddy field. Number 2. Snowshoes are wide so that pressure is less and the person do not sink in the soft snow. Number 3. Kitchen knives are kept sharpened so that the force from the hand acts on the thin edge. A dull blade requires more pressure to cut into food. A sharpened knife needs less pressure to cut through food. We have completed the lesson. Hope you understand it.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Thank you.